Hello everybody, welcome to the second part of the Forex Trendy episode. If you want to look the first one, I will put the link below in the description. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description as well. So the next trade I was going to show you is the Euro and the Swiss franc. We have a triangle buy signal break at 0.798. So we have a very nice triangle formed during the Asian session. Okay, no very good activity here. Let me see the support at 0.778 to 0.802, at least 20 pips. So not much room to trade, but at the Europe time, the big guys came in and everything was fine because after this little retracement here inside the pattern, the price just started to go up, reaching the 0.874 level. Okay, and after this double top, the price started to go down. So as you can see, you can have two trading opportunities. You will find many opportunities. Okay, and then it depends on your on your strategies and what kind of trader you are. If you are trading with a trend or if you like to be a contrarian, it's up to you. It's a total personal call. So we have a very nice trade, at least 80 pips. Okay, so let's jump to oil. We have a flag sell signal, not a good one because the break was at 43.20. As you can see, the price action looks very fickle because these very big candles, the green and the red ones. Okay, it's not a good sign that it's gonna be a safe trade. Okay, at least with good odds, but it didn't go in profit because it touched the 43.07 level with this spike, but you will never make it, guys, because this price action is so fast on the 5-minute chart, and this was a bad one. Okay, I assume it's because we are trading in a range. Looking at the price action here, you don't see the total image, okay, the wall image here because we just have a section, but it looks like the bottom of the range. And then as you can see from these two previous tops here, the price just topped here again and again here. So the price tried to uh, break through this top of the range, as you can see, forming this double top here and then going down. So not a good trade. Always look at the price action. Be selective, especially if you use the pattern reliability on medium. You can go on highest if you want. Okay, so let's jump to the Australian dollar and the Swiss. We have a flag buy signal break at 66.71. So again, during the Asian session, we have a sleeping market. Okay, and after the 8 a.m., 9 a.m. here in Europe, the big guys came in. Even though the action was pretty difficult because market was uncertain, because I was still buyers and sellers were fighting, as you can see from the price action. And then the price rebound on this 6066 level here and then skyrocketed up to 67.00. So a little one, but if you have like 20 pips, 30 pips targets like me, for example, I have a 20 pips target for each trade. So if my goal is to make 100 pips per day, is just 3 trades, I'm in profit. 3, 4 more or less. So remember, quality over quantity. So then you are fine. Okay. Let's jump to the exotic pair here on the USD NOK, the Norwegian krone. So at first it doesn't look very good, especially if you look at the price action. The flag is to It's too ripe. Okay, the ripeness of the flag is too much, so I don't like it. But if you look at the price level, break at 70.82 and it reached the 69.83. So we got 100 pips more or less. Remember that every time you will trade the exotic pairs, you will find very large spreads. So leave it at least 30 pips more or less. Okay, so you got 70 pips profit. Okay, but usually you will find very good opportunities on the exotic pairs. We get a very interesting summer on the Euro Turkish Lira, USD Turkish Lira, but this is just the best. It's not my personal okay forecast that you're gonna make money on the on the exotic pairs. You will find many interesting opportunities, of course. But remember that these exotic pairs are just for experienced traders. Stay away from the market if you don't know how to trade. So for today is everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below, push the like button. If you want to use Forex Trendy, you will find the link below in the description. Nothing. Stay tuned. Bye bye.